Gauss divergence theorem, Stokes theorem, and line integral, surface integral, volume integral. These are 6 topics we have to discuss in this topics in this vector integration. So today we are starting with the line integral. What is the definition? You see, an integral which is evaluated along a curve is called line integral. Along with the curve is called line integral, comma, denoted by, see, the symbol of line integral is integral over C f dot dr, where f is given in our question, and dr value is xi plus yj plus zk, xi plus yj plus zk. And the limits will decide based on the question. And this line integral we can also write in English language is work done. Sometimes in our question it is given to calculate the work done. It is nothing but is asking this value only. Is asking f dot dr value only, that can be written as f dot dr or read as work done. That's it. We'll immediately will see some questions. And now how to solve it. लाइन इंटीग्रल के प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे सॉल्व करना है. We are going to start the problems. Question is, all the necessary questions only I am doing. If number 1, if question number 1, if capital F is equal to, without f we are unable to find out line integral. F will be there in our question. 3xy I cap minus y square j cap, comma, evaluate integral over C f dot dr, evaluate integral over C f dot dr, where C is the curve. Where C is the curve. The hint will be given where is C. Where C is the curve, where it is in xy plane. Curve lies in xy plane from 0, 0, it is, yes, 0, 0 to 1, 2. 0, 0 to 1, 2. This is your question. Now, your step number 1. What is that? We have to find out the value, solution. What is given? Already we know that it is given in our question itself. That is the value of f. What is the value of f? The value of f is what? 3xy. Yes. Entry here, submit here. 3xy I cap minus y square j cap. This is f value. And already we know that dr value. What is dr value? dxi plus dyj. Without entry, summation is not accepted. Plus dzk. This is dr value. Now calculate f dot dr. We'll integrate later on. First we calculate f dot dr value. This is x3xy y cap minus y square j cap, and there is a dot product here with dxi plus dyj. Okay, enough. Dzk no need to write because in our f we don't have k term. So here also no need to write out k term. Sometimes the same question, instead of writing integral over c f dot dr, it is simply given evaluate total work done, where c is the curve. Like that also question will be given. So now I dot I is 1.
Okay.
So what's left over here? 3xy dx, and j dot j is 1, means minus y square dy. This is the value of f dot dr. Now, while integrating this one, integral over c f dot dr, it's not closed curve. This is not a closed curve. Integral over c f dot dr is equals to integral over c 3xy. आपको क्लास से सुना दिख रहा काम अलग ही करते.
Sir?
Yes, 3xy.
Sir, I'm listening, sir.
No, one more student is disturbing our class. Actually, I am in college. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now see here,
Okay, sir.
it's two variables are involved. X variable is also there, y variable is also there, dx is also there, dy is also there. But what to do? We have to convert the question into any one of the variable. Okay. For that, you have to see the question. Y is the curve, where c is the curve. Sorry, I forget to write here. Here curve name is also given. This is y is equals to 2x square. The name of the curve is also given here. So we use here. Hint given in our question is y value is equal to 2x square. It means the option is available. Y value we can convert into x. So if you differentiate, you will get dy value. Dy value is 2 is a constant as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x. It's 4x dx. What we are doing, we are converting the problem into y. We have to take the limits of y only. So limits of y. I think I should go for next page for this one, otherwise you will not understand. Oh, sorry. Okay, so integral over c f dot dr value we are calculating. This is equals to integral over c. Okay, what is here in our question? 3xy. Look at the question previous page. 3xy dx minus y square dy. So we are using the facility what is given in our question, that is y is equals to 2x square. And now if you differentiate, we get a dy value is 4x dx. And now we are taking the limits of y. Limits of y. What is the limits of y? Limits of y. Can you tell me what are the limits of y? Look at the question. It is actually the figure. If you want to see the figure will be like that. This is the y-axis. This is your x-axis. Okay, the curve will be like that. starting with 0, 0 to x is 1, y is 2. Suppose here 1, 2. This part from here to here, this dot to this dot, we are calculating. This is a curve. So curve का जो integration होता along with a curve is called line integral. Okay? So the limits of y, this is x and this is y. This is x and this is y. What are the limits of y? 0 to 2. Right? Y is equal to y की value x में. dy is also in terms of y is equals to 0 to y is equals to 2. So now plug in all the values. y value x में convert करें तो फिर x के लिमिट्स लेना पड़ेगा. y के नहीं x के. x के लिमिट 0 to 1 है. Not y, it is x. क्वेश्चन पूरा x में कन्वर्ट हो रहा ना. x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. That's it. We got the solution. X is equal to 0 to 1. So in our question, no more y available now. 3x as it is. Y value is 2x square into dx minus y square means it is 4 x to the power of 4 into dy value. Dy value is 4x into dx. And now this is equal to this is also equal to x varies from 0 to 1. Taking dx common and simplifying this one, we get 6x raised to the power of 3 minus 4 4 is 16 x raised to the power of 5 times dx. Finally integrate 6 as it is. It is x to the power of 4 by 4 after integrating minus 16 x to the power of 6 by 6 after integrating, and their limits are 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Answer will be, if x is taken as 1, we get 6 by 4 minus 16 by 6. Finally, if you calculate with the help of the calculator, if you calculate, do you have a calculator with you right now?
No, sir, I will take.
Just verify. That's your answer will be minus 7 by 6 is your answer. And this is an important question. Okay. And now one note point I forgot to tell you. Yeah. One note is very important note here. Note, if after calculating integral over C, f dot dr, suppose your answer is equal to 0 vector. In this case, f is called conservative. Conservative means it should not consist any energy. Therefore, f is called, कभी कभी क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी आ सकता है, show that f is conservative. F is called conservative. Okay. So sometimes in our question, show that f is conservative. Okay. Like that also it is given. I hope it is clear for you. And I want to move for this next question. Next question is also equally important. The question will be, if f is equal to, x square plus y square I cap minus 2xy j cap, comma, evaluate. It's a closed curve, integral over c f dot dr. It is a closed curve. Previous curve is not closed. It is closed. Where c is a rectangle. Rectangle is a closed curve. Where c is the rectangle.
Sir, will open curve or closed curve will make any difference?
ये रेक्टेंगल का फिगर ऐसा रहता ना जी, दिस इज क्लोज ना, ये पूरा क्लोज है देखो,
Yes, sir.
ये कर्व
Yes, sir.
क्लोज
Yes,
है,
sir.
दिस इज नॉट क्लोज ना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Close curve means we write like this. This is closed curve. Circle is a closed
Okay, sir.
curve.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
Rectangle, triangle is a closed curve. But
Okay,
if it
sir.
is not a closed curve, we simple write integral over c. It is not closed.
Okay, sir.
But इसका difference का आपको जरूरत नहीं है, उसका डिटेल में नहीं चेक करते. Where c is a rectangle in xy plane. C is the rectangle in xy plane bounded by y is equal to 0, comma y is equal to b, comma x is equal to 0, comma x is equal to a. This is your question. So now see how we are going to write the solution of this problem. It's a very, very important question, and this is actually what we are doing. It is half part of the Stokes theorem also. Stokes theorem में यही सब करना है आप. तो यहाँ पर अच्छे से देख लो, वहां
Okay,
पर आपको मुश्किल नहीं होगी.
okay, sir.
Solution. We know the value of f, it is there in our question. We know the value of r. So find out f dot dr first of all. Then we can see the figure. F is equal to, we have given our value of f is equal to x square plus y square I cap minus 2xy j cap, and dr value is equals to dxi plus dyj plus I think k term is not required. F dot dr we have to calculate. F is equals to, we have x square plus y square I cap minus 2xy j cap. This one we have to do the dot product with dxi plus dyj, and we know that I dot I is 1. What's left of? X square plus y square of dx left off minus 2xy dy is left off. Is that okay for you? This is the value of f dot dr. Correct? Correct? Very, very important. Equation number 1 we take.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, how this rectangle will be looks like in this region, in this bounded region? Let us see. First of all, we have to draw the coordinate axis always, y-axis and then x-axis. Now, x is equal to a means this is your line. Y is equal to b means this is your line. This is origin A, B and C. This is x-axis means equation of x-axis y is equal to 0. तुम किधर जगह रख के जा रहे हैं मियाँ? यहाँ एंट्री भी नहीं करे, AIDS ये लिखा हुआ है वहां पर. Equation of y-axis x is equal to 0. Any line parallel to x-axis is x is equal to a. वहां पर दो स्टिकर लगाओ नीचे, ITA second, AIDS ITB third. It is y is equal to b. हाँ बना के लिखो. So this is your rectangle. ये close curve है ना? So
Yes,
this
sir.
curve C is a consisting of, suppose this part is C1, this part is taken as C2, this part is taken as C3, and this part is taken as C4. Means our value of C, f dot dr value consisting of rectangle, means rectangle first part is C1, this wala part, OA part, f dot dr plus C2 part, again f dot dr plus C3 part, again f dot dr plus C4 part, again f dot dr. So what to do here is f dot dr already we have done here. यहाँ पर कर लिया. खाली we have to see the limits. Means along C1, where it is, here it is OA. What is the nature of this line? We say that it is y is equal to 0. The name of this line is what? Y is equal to 0. It means
Yes, sir.
dy is also 0. Differentiation is also 0. And lies on x-axis. So x varies from, I'm talking about x limits. This is 0, 0. This point is 0, 0. This point is x is a, means a is 0. This point is x is a and y is b, means ab. This point is x is 0 and y is b, means 0 comma b. Just give me some time, okay, please. X varies from 0 to a, right? X limits are. Now similarly,
Yes, sir.
along C2, look at that nature. X is equal to a, which implies that differentiation dx part will be 0, and parallel to y-axis, y limits are, y varies from, y limits are 0 to b.
Yes, sir.
0 to b. Next, along C3. Look at that. C3 nature is y is equal to b.
Y equals to B.
Means that dy is equal to 0.
Yes.
And
X. Sir.
yes. X varies from, x limits are
A to
a
C.
to 0. Now along C3 over C4, which is OC actually. Name of this line is x is equal to 0. The meaning of this is dx is equal to 0. And lies on y-axis. Y varies from b to 0. Correct? Now all
sir.
these values we have to take and substitute. F dot dr is common for all. So let us finish this problem. Next page I'll take. Integral over C f dot dr value is equals to, in the first line you can see x limits are 0 to a. Now see the verification. If you substitute this condition, which condition? This one, y0 and dy0 in equation number 1. y0 means this part 0, dy0 means second part 0. Only x square dx left off. Okay, x square dx. What is the verification? अपन यहाँ पर x limits लिखे तो x ही बचना उसको. या तो कांस्टेंट प्लस सेकंड लिमिट इज y is equal to 0 to b, y is equal to 0 b. So definitely y terms or constant should be left over here. This one, x is equal to 0, dx 0, we have to put in equation number 1. dx 0 first part 0, x की प्लेस पे a करे तो minus 2ay dy, minus 2ay dy.
सर एक बार ये पेज में लिख के बताओ ना सर, जब हम
इसमें
वैल्यूज ले रहे y के 0 to b में, where x is equal to a.
f dot dr value is x square plus y square dx. Yes,
Yes sir.
minus 2xy dy. See, we are substituting this condition. Which one? First part is y0 dy0.
A.
इसमें substitute. इसमें y0 means this part 0, dy0 means entire part 0, x square dx. First part is over. In the second case, what we are doing? X value is 8, dx0. कहाँ पर इसमें रख ये equation. dy0 x के प्लेस पे a रखे. ये dx0 हो जाता,
Yes,
फर्स्ट पार्ट 0 हो जाता, तो minus 2a प्लस थर्ड लिमिट x is equal to a to 0. Now, definitely you can verify only y is equal to b, dy0 substitute करना. dy0 second part 0 होता, y की प्लेस पे b बोलता, x square plus b square dx plus last limits are b to 0.
सर अब एक डाउट है सर, आई गॉट कंफ्यूज्ड अ बिट. सर अपन C1 C2 C3 C4 के लिए कर रहे हैं ना सर, 0 to a 0 to b वैसा. तो जब अपन ये इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं, वी आर डूइंग इट अकॉर्डिंग टू x इक्वल्स टू a, या वो 0 to b a to 0 के हिसाब से?
नहीं, इसके हिसाब से कर. x is equal, ये कंडीशन इसमें रख रही है, x 0 dx 0 इसमें रख रहे. ये तो लिमिट से, ये लिमिट से y is b to 0 यहाँ पर लिख दो, y is b to 0. अब वो सब्स्टिट्यूट
लिमिट्स लगा के x
पहले
का
लिमिट्स
वैल्यू
लगाना,
y
बाद
का
में ये
वैल्यू
वैल्यू रखना.
सब्स्टिट्यूट.
पहले लिमिट्स लगाना, बाद में वैल्यू रखना. अब देखो x 0 dx 0. If you
Yes,
put
sir.
x 0, this part 0, dx 0 means this part 0 means in the fourth region we are not getting anything. Both are 0. Simply integrate this one. X square integration is x cube by 3. Limits are 0 to a. Minus 2a is a constant. Y integration is y square by 2. Limit 0 to b. Plus x square integration is x cube by 3. And b square integration with respect to x is b square x. Limits are a to 0. A to 0. Now upper limit minus lower limit is a cube by 3. Lower limit we are not getting anything. 2 and 2 cancel. Entry here, submission here. Minus a. Entry करके जाओ मियाँ. Y value is b square. Lower limit we are not getting. Close it. Plus आपका ब्रांच का कौन सा वो पेपर देखो. Upper limit 0 means this is 0 plus this is 0 minus lower limit in place of x we put a cube by 3 plus b square into a. Now finally it's a cube by 3. कहाँ पर रखे, वहां रखे. सेकंड ट्रैक में रखो बोला ना, समझ नहीं आया. माइनस ए बी स्क्वायर, दिस इज ओवर, माइनस a cube by 3 minus ab square. This and this cancel. Finally, your answer is इंटीग्रल ओवर सी एफ डॉट डी आर, सबमिट करो, चले जाओ. व्हाट जीरो मार्क्स सर, कल का नहीं है कुछ. इतने पूरे बेवकूफ नहीं आप अकेले सामने निकाल देते. कल का नहीं रहता, सब परमिशन कुछ नहीं है. This is end of this problem. Minus 2ab square is the answer of this. So what we have done today, line integral. There are two types of expected questions. There are few more questions also there. Let me give you some questions that you have to practice in this line integral. And understanding the concept is important because our main theorems are depending upon this one. So I am giving you some questions. You have to do it that. Okay, this question. Fine. Find the work done. Find the work done in a moving particle in a moving particle in the force field F. Here the value of F will be given. F is equal to 3x square I cap plus j cap plus zk cap. Along the straight line, along the straight line, zero, 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 2, 2, 1, 3. So I'll give you the hint also. Actually, we are finding work done means what do you say? Just now we said now. It is asking to calculate the value of what? Come on. Work
F
done is
bar
nothing
dot
but it
dr.
is asking the value of F dot
F
dr only.
dot.
Sometimes the symbol is given, sometimes the words will be given. F dot dr is only is asking. F is there, dr we know. Just what to do here is we have to just integrate F dot dr x, y, z. 3x square, yes, do it. Substitute the limits. You can try yourself. Otherwise, if you not get, I will let us check.
Okay.
This is one question. Yeah, one more. Actually, I am searching this question only. This question. Question is F is equals to, this is your second question. Here F is equal to 5xy minus 6x square. I cap minus, not minus, it is plus 2y minus 4x j cap. क्या वो कितने करें? आपका नाम एंट्री करके यहाँ पे आपका काय है ब्रांच देखो हमारा इवॉल्व इट इंटीग्रल ओवर सी एफ डॉट डी आर डिस्टर्ब नहीं है पेपर में along the curve कर्व्स का नहीं है तो एक प्लेन पेपर लेके लिखता हूँ यहाँ देखो प्लेन along the curve C along the curve C in xy plane it's like your first question only. Today we have already discussed the first question. Along the curve C, yeah, again I forget to write the curve. Y is equal to x cube here in xy plane from 1 comma 1 to 2 comma 8. That's it. These two problems and your class is done. Next class we can go for surface integral and then we start our main theorems. Tomorrow, if there is a possibility, I will take the class. Right now, these days I am busy. Okay, some project work is going on. I'm busy. Okay, right?
Okay. Sir, do you have 5 more minutes, sir?
Yeah.
5 more minutes do you have, sir? Could you spare?
Yeah. Tell me what.
सर एग्जाम डेट्स केम सर आप अगर अभी बोलते क्या सर कैसे पढ़ना क्या पढ़ना आई स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग लाइक दैट ओनली
In your syllabus, how many units are there? Differential equation.
5
First order,
यूनिट्स है
higher
सर
order. First order, higher order. पहले start करो अपन.
ओके सर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर हायर
तो
ऑर्डर
उसमें क्या पढ़ना टॉपिक्स वो भी देख लो आप. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल
हाँ सर
इक्वेशन में आपको एग्जैक्ट लीनियर और बर्नौली पे क्वेश्चन पहले पढ़ना.
एग्जैक्ट
Whatever may be the question, exact, linear, and Bernoulli.
ओके सर
First to focus on these three topics.
ओके
Then,
सर
if you get the time, then go for orthogonal trajectory and then self-orthogonal curve.
ओके सर
ओके ये पहले पढ़ लो उसके बाद कल की क्लास में मैं दूसरे यूनिट का बोलता हूँ. ठीक है ये
ओके
अच्छा
सर
पढ़ लो
थैंक यू
पहले ये
सर
4 टॉपिक अच्छा पढ़ लो इसमें से क्वेश्चन पेपर बनता.
सर मैं ये टॉपिक्स पे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करती सर अगर कुछ डाउट्स है तो मैं पीडीएफ बना के आपको कल भेजती सर
हाँ हाँ भेजो मैं देख लो. ठीक
ओके थैंक यू सर थैंक यू
क्या है बाबा बोलिए.